Well, we have two restaurants now, both with hamburgers, but the Crayemme hamburger has this cult following that I cannot understand, but I'm certainly glad to have it, but you can only have that burger at the bar. We make 18 of them a day just because of the beef that we get. We kind of have to ration it throughout the week just to be able to do that. And it just seemed like, okay, cool, let's just focus this 18 of them in one part of the restaurant and actually have some clarity about what you can do and where you can do it. We're not trying to make rules or, limit what people want to do for their dining options, but there's just such a limited amount of the hamburgers themselves. And to me, a hamburger at a bar seems more appropriate.